Hello YouTube, Homestead Handyman here. Well, things got a little crappy on the homestead last night. Looks like a bear came out when it was just time to get the honey, and he got to it before us. Came through and just wrecked everything. You can see the bees are still on sections in there. They're laying here, laying over on its side. I'm going to see if I can get everything back together. He pulled the frames out, just went over here, clawed everything apart, and just went crazy eating the honey. Here's more of the devastation. He really went nuts. Well, this is part of the downfalls of homesteading. I'm going to see if I can get this back together. Well, I got it back together. They were not in a happy mood and kept attacking me. I did get stung, but who can blame them after what they went through last night, getting attacked like that? Well, this is the Homestead Handyman inside the bee suit. Well, I try to bring you the good, the bad, and the ugly. And this was the ugly this morning. Hopefully these bees, it's early enough in the year, will be able to make a recovery. And maybe we'll even get lucky and get some honey. And the bear will stay away. Maybe he'll be back tonight. I don't know. Well, anyway, this is the Homestead Handyman. Hope you enjoy our videos. Please like, share, subscribe, and give me the old thumbs up. Homestead Handyman out.